another favorites, and this time it is November favorites. For the first time हम थोड़े late हुए हैं to upload our favorites. We both were busy in our individual lives, but nevertheless we are back.
We will never miss an upload at least of favorites because we guys know that you all love our favorites video. But चलो एक हफ्ता late ही सही. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Starting off, I have a very good moisturizer. You guys know I used to rave about the Cetaphil moisturizer, and I found something more good than a Cetaphil moisturizer. That is the Good Vibes का moisture rich face cream. This is in the variant Rose Hip, and this one is so nice. This is again thick. The only thing is that ये tub form में आता है, and I'm not the best fan of a tub form packaging. I feel कि कुछ ऐसे press करके मैं निकालूँ, that is more nice. But nevertheless, this is so inexpensive. This was for 245 rupees, and you literally need very little bit of this, and it has a nice color also. ये अच्छा pink color में आता है. It's very good. I love this product.
Then moving on to my skincare favorite, I have the DermDoc Sun Protection Gel Cream. This has an SPF of 50 and PA++ in it, which I think is great. And I am a sort of a person who doesn't like cream-based sunscreens a lot because I have very oily skin. I usually incline towards gel-based products, but now since it's winters and Mumbai में थोड़ी बहुत ठंडी हो रही है, I love using this. It is a gel cream, so it's not very thick. It gets absorbed into the skin really quickly, and it gives you a very healthy glow. It doesn't feel chip, you know, which I personally love. And I got this from Purple in PR, and it is expensive. It is for 425 rupees, but you need the tiniest amount and it would cover up your entire face, and it doesn't give you a white cast, which is my personal favorite thing about this. So you all should definitely check this out.
Next up, I have a very different product, that is a bath salt. I would never imagine me using a bath salt. So उर्वी ने मेरे को मेरे बर्थडे पे एक लैवेंडर एसेंट का गिफ्ट बॉक्स दिया था, and this was one of the items in that, and I did not knew कि मैं इसे कब कैसे यूज़ करूँगी. So November start में I went to Pune with my family for a vacation, and वो होटल में bathtub था. Oh my god, literally my and all of my sisters have used this. ये पूरा डब्बा, इतना बड़ा डब्बा भरा हुआ था. I didn't use this, and ये इतना सा बाकी रह गया. वो भी मैंने इसलिए रखा कि मैं घर पे कभी इसे यूज़ करूँगी, इसलिए मैंने इसको रखा है. But this is such a nice bath salt. It has the lavender essence in it. ये मैं literally रोज रात को हम लोग सब sisters एक बार
Oh god, that would have been so fun, no?
Yeah, it was really fun. Everyone enjoyed it.
Then moving on to my makeup favorite, I have this Nykaa lipstick. I don't know what range it is from, but this is the shade Truffle. ये मेरे पास बहुत टाइम से थी, but I somehow didn't reach out to it. Again, as I said, winters थोड़े आ रहे हैं and मेरे lips बहुत suddenly dry हो गए. So this is a very nice moisturizing lipstick. I have it on my lips right now. The color though is to die for. It's such a pretty nude color. It has a very slight sheen to it. It's not glossy, but it's a little bit shiny. But I absolutely love this. It's so hydrating, and it has this really classy magnetic packaging. So that's really nice as well. And it's color coded packaging as well. So that's nice. So yeah, I really like this one.
So the next thing which I have is a hair mask. This is by a brand called as Nutriment. ये मैंने Nykaa से लिया था. So this is their creamy collagen hair mask. Oh my god, this is such a nice hair mask. इसने मेरे hair को इतने soft कर दिया. I have literally not used heat in my hair since 2 to 3 months at all, and all thanks to this product. Every time when I wash my hair, मैं अपने बस नीचे as a conditioner, I use this as a conditioner, which works really well for me. This is a little expensive, 400 rupees का है, but I'm sure you will find some discounts in it. I guess मैंने भी कुछ 25% off पे ही लिया था, which was not a bad deal. And yeah, you guys can see it is empty. मैंने उसको use कर लिया, it is empty.
Okay, so the next favorite that I have is this Aldo bag right here, which Dinkle which Dinkle gifted to me on my birthday. You guys might have already seen it in the vlog. Oh my god, I cannot stop using this because this bag is so versatile. It goes with literally everything. It fits in a lot of stuff as well, and it's just classy, and it's from my most favorite brand. And I just seriously पूरे November month में मैंने सिर्फ ये एक bag use किया. It is so good, and I just love it. I cannot stop using it. So yeah, this has to be my favorite bag in general also, not just for November, in general also.
If you guys have seen my room tour video, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the sunset lamp. This has to be my favorite. Every night before I sleep, I on this lamp, and वो अलग ही mood set हो जाता है on this lamp and एक candle में जला देती हूँ. It is a different kind of vibe. I'm reading book रात को सोने से पहले, so you know that 30 minutes I just on this lamp, a candle and a book. I just love it. Everyone who has come in my house and has used this sunset lamp, they are in love with it. I feel this is a must-have, and I guess it's 700 rupees का ही है, and it's going to last you for a long time. I guess everyone should get this at their home.
Okay, so the next favorite that I have is so random. I mean, wait, let me just show you. It is my Apple Watch Series
Oh my
7.
God.
Literally, ये वीडियो शूट करने के लिए मैं डिंकल के यहाँ आ रही थी. Also, by the way, if you didn't notice, we are at Dinkel's house.
Yeah.
So when I was coming here, literally 10 minutes before that, my brother came and gave me this. So, a little backstory. I wanted to get this watch for myself as a birthday gift, but it was unfortunately out of stock for a really long time. Then my father actually had a friend who was coming from US to India. So he asked him, and the topic ही cut हो गया था, so I was not expecting the watch to reach me so early. I didn't know that he had ordered the watch already. And today when I was leaving, my father got the watch from the uncle that was coming from US, and he gave it to my brother. And my brother just comes and just hands the plastic bag to me. And that plastic bag was literally looking like a अपना भाजी का थैली होता है ना वैसा. तो I just didn't take him seriously. And he's like, ले तेरी watch आ गई. And I'm like, I was blank because this was the last thing I was expecting to come out of that bag. I will insert my reaction video so that you all can also see. I love this color. This is the 41mm Starlight color, and I'm so not used to wearing a digital watch. But मैंने literally अभी डिंकल और मैंने बैठ के setup किया है, पूरा हुआ भी नहीं है. I don't know how to wear it also because it's so different. So yeah, this is my late birthday gift, which I'm very very grateful for.
On to favorite show of the month, I watched Myntra Superstar and I loved that show. It is quite different from the other shows. It is not the most entertaining one, but मेरे को ना उधर से काफ़ी ideas मिली, काफ़ी चीज़ें समझी about the content creator life, and I got inspired by that a lot. लोगों की stories सुनने मिली. I really loved it. And obviously Queen, who won the Myntra Superstar, is so perfect. I got to
So creative ना.
Yeah, people are so creative. कितनी मेहनत करते हैं. Like I saw their individual Instagram also.
हाँ.
And उसमें भी वो लोग कितनी मेहनत करते हैं.
Yeah, they don't get a lot of attention for some reason, yaar.
Exactly. So I loved that show.
Then moving on to my favorite show, I don't really have a show, but I have a music album by Tanzeel Khan, which is called as Dastan. He has come up with 6 songs till now, I guess, and all of them are so good. I've loved Tanzeel songs before as well. My favorite song has to be Falsafa, which was the latest one that he has released. Oh my god, the way he has acted, the way it has been filmed, edited, the lyrics, everything is so good. ये पूरा vibe वाला song है. It is not something that you can dance on, but you can surely like vibe on it. Like इसका sunset lamp लगा के वो गाने सुनो. That would be the vibe, you know. It's so good. You all should definitely check it out. I am though listening it on loop.
Moving on to the favorite month.
Day.
Moving on to favorite day of a month, I have 2 special moments. So first, obviously, I told you guys that मैं November में family के साथ पुणे गई थी. It was a nice getaway. So I went with my mama, mami, my sisters, and my nana, nani. So it was a very nice getaway. We had a lot of fun. So that was nice. And secondly, where I did my makeup and hair course from, I am now there as an assistant trainer, which for me is a very huge thing. Like जैसे मैंने सीखा है, मैं वहाँ में लोगों को सिखा रही हूँ, वहाँ मैं लोगों को mentor कर रही हूँ, which was very special to me. So these were the 2 highlights of my month.
Then moving on to my favorite day of the month. So if you so if you follow me on Instagram, you might already know that my best friend got married this month. She was the first one from our group who got married, and it was like a proper big fat Indian wedding with 10,000 different functions, and she was looking so beautiful. Everything went so smoothly. We enjoyed so much. We were of course her bridesmaids, and we had so much fun. We clicked so many pictures, and we ate such good food, and we had the time of our lives. But it was just a very beautiful moment for us. So yeah.
So yeah, that's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.